In this video, I'm going to show you how to update DirectX on your Windows 11 computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and open up your Start menu, go and search for Run, and then click on this Run icon. You then need to type in DXDIAG and press Enter. You can then press Yes. Now from this window, you'll be able to see your current DirectX version. So you can see down here that I'm currently using DirectX 12, and this is the most up-to-date version of DirectX. Now to go and actually update this to the latest version, close out of this window, open up the Start menu and click on Settings. Over on the left-hand side, select Windows Update, and then press the blue Check for Updates button, and this is going to check for any outdated software on your computer. Now in order to install the latest DirectX version, this is automatically going to be included in the Windows update. So as long as your computer's fully up to date, you're going to be using the latest DirectX. If it already says you're up to date, then click on Advanced Options and click on Optional Updates, and also make sure you're fully up to date here as well. So if you see any outdated software, make sure to check everything and then press Download and Install. So that's how to update DirectX on your Windows 11 computer.